In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Trustpilot reviews to your Hubspot website. Unfortunately, since Hubspot doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party widget. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to go to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then you'll see this reviews section right here. I want you to click on all-in-one reviews, and then I want you to click on create widget for free here, and then that will take you down to the template section. So as you can see on the left hand side, you have a bunch of different review templates they can choose from. On the right hand side, you have a fully interactive live preview of what the selected template will feel like on your Hubspot website. Now bear in mind that all of these templates are fully customizable. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. So yeah, go ahead, browse through the different templates here, choose the one you like the most. This here is for desktop that you see, but if you click on the mobile icon, you also get a mobile preview of the selected template as well. So yeah, go ahead and choose the template you like the most, and then go ahead and click and continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where you can start customizing your Trustpilot reviews to your liking. So what we want to do from here is go to custom underneath more platforms, and then go ahead and change the source name to Trustpilot. Now the reason why we need to do this is because they don't actually have a Trustpilot widget. What we need to do is go ahead and customize it ourselves in order to become like a Trustpilot widget, and it's going to look really good. You're going to see it in just a second. So where it says source icon here, click on add and go ahead and add the logo of Trustpilot. You can either upload it through a file or through a URL. In my case, I'm going to go for a file. Here is the logo uploading, and then what you need to do next is go ahead and manually add all the reviews that you want to display. So go ahead and click on add review right here, and where it says review text, simply paste the review in here, then provide the reviewer name, in my case Peter Smith. You can also add the reviewer photo if you want, which will go right here, the star rating of the review, date the review was given. Then you can also have a business owner reply right here, as well as add any photos to the review if that's relevant. Then once you're ready, click on done. In my case, I'm going to go ahead and just duplicate this 2 more times, just so we get 3 reviews, and it looks nice. And even as you can see, that looks really nice and clean, and it does look like the reviews are coming from Trustpilot, which is the most important thing. So yeah, go ahead, add as many reviews from Trustpilot as you want, and then once you're ready, click on done. Once you're done with adding all the reviews from Trustpilot, on the left hand side you will see layout, header, review, style, and settings. These are even more customizations you can take advantage of to further customize your Trustpilot review template. So for example, if you go to header right here, we can actually hide the header in general if you don't want to have one, or we can simply remove certain elements. So for example, if you want to remove the rating, just uncheck this box and the rating will be removed. If you want to hide the number of reviews, the same thing goes. Then you can also hide certain tabs here, like the icons, the names, and the rating, and there's a bunch of other customizations that you can take advantage of further down here for the header. Now when it comes to the reviews, you can change the review style. As you can see, there's a bunch of different options they can go with. In my case, I think I like the first one. Then you can change the review source style as well, and then you can also provide some further customization for it down here. Then in terms of style, we can change the color scheme, you can change the accent color, as well as very specific elements of the widget, so like the background, the title, the header, the rating, and so forth. As you can see, there's lots of different customizations that you can take advantage of. I'm not going to go for every single one. I'll leave this up to you to explore, but once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then your widget will be saved up, and you'll be taken to a page where we have to publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen here, you will see a green publish button. In my case, it's grayed out because my widget is already published, but in your case, it won't be. So go ahead, click on publish, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to 1 widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, or if you're testing out Elfsight, this is a good plan to go with. Do bear in mind it does come with some Elfsight branding that I'm going to show you in just a second. So if you want your widget to be 100% ad free, then you will have to go for one of their premium plans right here. They do offer a lot more functionality as well. So for example, if you go even for the basic plan, you can use up to 3 widgets from Elfsight, and then you can also get up to 5,000 views per month, which is a lot more than 200 views for the free plan. And they also have quite a lot of different premium plans as well that you can choose from. And if you decide to subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. So yeah, go ahead, browse through the different plans right here, choose the one that works best for you, and then you automatically be taken to this page right here, which is where you can copy the code for your Trustpilot reviews. Which click on copy code, and then let's head over to Hubspot so we can start integrating it. Now, as you can see, I'm already in my Hubspot editor right here, and what I'm going to do before I go ahead and add the reviews is go ahead and add a brand new section here. It's going to be a blank section. option number 1 here. And then what I want to do from here is click on the plus icon here in the top left corner of the screen where it says add, and then underneath text right here, I want you to choose option number 3, which is rich text. Drag it into this box that you just added, the new section, and then go ahead, delete this text on the left hand side. Underneath advanced right here, click on source code, and then go ahead and paste the code we just copied previously from L side. Click on save changes. Now we're in preview mode, so let's go down a bit, and then here is a Trustpilot reviews widget. It looks super nice and clean. As you can see, here are the reviews. Don't worry about this panel you see right here on the top. This is only visible by you just in case you want to go to Elf site and make any changes to the widget itself. And this down here is the Elf site branding that I talked about previously. So if that's too much of a bother for you, you can just go for one of the premium plans, and then this one will automatically be removed. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add Trustpilot reviews to your Hubspot website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.